Hello. In this lesson, we are going to work on comments and commenters or visitors in our modifications. So if we come into our dashboard index, we want to have comments, give us the last comments, 5 of them, and we want to do the same with visitors to give us the last 5 visitors created. Alright, so now that we have these instance variables, we can access them from our index. So I'm going to have a h2. We'll start with our comments. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we need a link for viewing all comments. So we're going to create that link first. So list all comments. Alright, so the path for this is the admin comments plural underscore path, and then that would end like that. If we quickly have a look and click on this, it takes us to the index for comments. Alright, so that's fine. So we now have the actual comments. Alright, so we have date up here and date here. I've decided to do another modifications and just stick with one date. Alright, so here we are going to iterate over all the comments and access them here, and over here we can end the comments. Alright, so here we can have a paragraph, and within our paragraph we can say comments. Okay, so it's actually comment up here. So we can say comment dot full name. So it gives us the full name of comment. No, there is no such thing as full name of comments, but comment dot visitor dot full name. Alright, so now we have the full names here, 5 of them, so that's fine. So over here we have we say truncate, so we want to have a list of the messages. So comment.message, so we'll give it a length. This time we want to slightly longer, so 125 characters, and then we want to separate it with this space here. Alright, so let's close and go back into our view, refresh, syntax error. So what's gone wrong? We are missing here. Alright, so that's it. So now we come over here and refresh. We have the content message display there. Alright, so down here we want to add something else to it. So we say time ago when this message was left. So they created @ and finally here we need to have a horizontal rule so we could clearly see how things are being listed. Okay, so we have the time ago there and we have the horizontal rule. Alright, so if we come over here, so we've worked on comments, so we can see a list of comments there, posts, and now we can have a look at the visitors. So the commenters, which now is visitors. Alright, so down here we can have another H2 where we can not commenters but visitors. Alright, and BS3 table. So this is the Bootstrap BS3 plugin, which if you don't have, just pause it and type the table yourself. And here we have hashtag for numbers, we have full name, here we have the email here. So status, I've decided to skip and not use status, so I'm just going to go straight to the created, and here we have actions. So we're going to copy this and paste this a few times to match our table head. Alright, so as usual we are going to iterate over the visitors, but this time we are going to say something slightly different. So each with index. So we're doing something slightly more fanciful this time around. So this with index allows us to yield the visitor and an index. So this is the number for the array where the visitor is coming from. So index is here. So let's see what exactly we have in index. So if I come over here and I say print out index for me, and I come here and I refresh the page, and you will notice we have 0 to 4. So the index is the address for the arrays that we are iterating over. So I could say +1 because it always starts with 0. So now we can see it starts from 1 to 5. Okay, so now we have an index. We can go ahead and find the visitor's full name, and we can also find the visitor's email. We can also get when the visitor was created, so time ago, visitor that created at, it gives us that information. And down here we have our actions. So the first action we want is a link to delete, so we can delete. So we say admin visitor singular path, and we'll pass in the visitor we want to delete, and we'll give it a method delete, and we can also give a data confirm, and we can say are you sure, and we can end it here. All right, so if I come and refresh this, we have names and emails created at and delete. And if I delete this as Baldo and click there, I will notice that it has gone, and we still have 5 records being shown to us. Alright, so we've done this, and we've done visitors. I think we have a message there, so we can come over here and we can say that we have done listing comments, visitors, and we've done all this. Sections are done. Alright, so in the next lesson we are going to work on settings, which I think is the last one for us to do, which is this page here. We have all this information that is used throughout the app. So we're going to work on this in the next lesson. Alright, so that's it for this lesson, and I'll see you in the next lesson.